My name is Eugene Liu. Let me introduce the Ring Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 is an advanced video doorbell that offers unparalleled security features and user-friendly technology. With a sleek and modern design, this device is perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their home security and monitor their property. 1. High-quality video. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 features an advanced camera that provides high-quality video footage of the area surrounding the doorbell. The camera has a 1080p HD resolution and a 150-degree field of view, ensuring that users can see everything happening around their front door. 2. Advanced motion detection. The device is equipped with advanced motion detection technology that can detect movement up to 30 feet away from the doorbell. This ensures that users receive notifications when someone is approaching their front door, even if they are not ringing the doorbell. 3. Customizable motion zones. Users can customize the motion detection zones on the Ring Doorbell Pro 2 to ensure that they only receive alerts when there is an activity in specific areas. This helps to reduce false alarms and ensures that users only receive notifications for the areas that matter most. 4. Two-way audio. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 features two-way audio, allowing users to communicate with visitors at their front door through the device. This feature is particularly useful for homeowners who want to speak to delivery drivers or tell solicitors that they are not interested. 5. Night vision. The device is equipped with infrared night vision technology, ensuring that users can see and monitor their front door even in low-light conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for homeowners who are concerned about their property's security at night. 6. Easy installation. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 is easy to install and comes with all the necessary hardware and tools. The device can be wired to the existing doorbell wiring or powered by a rechargeable battery, making it suitable for almost any home. 7. User-friendly app. The device comes with a user-friendly app that allows users to control and monitor their Ring Doorbell Pro 2 from their smartphone or tablet. The app provides real-time notifications, live video feeds, and access to other features, like motion detection settings and two-way audio. 8. Integrates with other Ring products. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 integrates seamlessly with other Ring products, including Ring security cameras and the Ring alarm system. This allows users to create a comprehensive home security system that is tailored to their needs. 9. Multiple power options. Users can choose to power the Ring Doorbell Pro 2 using their existing doorbell wiring or a rechargeable battery pack. This provides flexibility and ensures that users can choose the power option that works best for them. 10. Weather-resistant design. The Ring Doorbell Pro 2 has a weather-resistant design, making it suitable for use in almost any climate. It can withstand extreme temperatures and is designed to resist rain, snow, and other harsh weather conditions. Overall, the Ring Doorbell Pro 2 is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for an advanced video doorbell that offers superior security features and user-friendly technology. With its high-quality video, advanced motion detection, customizable settings, two-way audio, and other features, this device provides an unparalleled level of protection and convenience for homeowners. Thank you. If you have any questions about the recommended components or the installation process, please do not hesitate to contact us at 416-948-0908. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you.